Every human life begins with a single cell. Growth, development, and the continuation of our species all depend on a complex system inside the body that most people rarely think about until something goes wrong. This system is responsible not only for reproduction, but also for hormones, development, and many aspects of overall health. This is called the reproductive system. So how does the reproductive system actually work? The reproductive system is responsible for producing reproductive cells, enabling fertilization and supporting the development of a new life. It works differently in males and females, but both systems are closely connected and regulated by hormones. In the male reproductive system, the main organs include the testes, sperm ducts, and penis. The testes produce sperm cells, which are the male reproductive cells, as well as the hormone testosterone, which controls male development and characteristics. Sperm cells are stored and transported through ducts and are released during reproduction. In the female reproductive system, the main organs include the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, and vagina. The ovaries produce egg cells, also known as ova, and release hormones such as estrogen and progesterone, which regulate the reproductive cycle. Each month, one egg is released from the ovary in a process called ovulation. If a sperm cell meets an egg cell, fertilization can occur. This usually takes place in the fallopian tube. The fertilized egg then travels to the uterus, where it can implant and begin to develop into an embryo. The uterus provides the environment and nutrients needed for the growth of the developing baby. The reproductive system is also closely linked to the endocrine system, which controls hormone production. Hormones regulate puberty, reproductive cycles, and many physical and emotional changes in the body. The understanding of the reproductive system has developed over time as scientists studied human development and reproduction, helping explain how life begins and how the body supports it. When the reproductive system does not function properly, it can lead to various health issues. Conditions such as infertility can occur when the body is unable to produce healthy sperm or eggs. Hormonal imbalances can affect reproductive cycles, and diseases such as infections or cancers can impact reproductive organs. Today, modern medicine is advancing reproductive health in new ways. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to analyze fertility patterns, improve diagnosis, and assist in treatments such as in vitro fertilization, IVF. These technologies are helping doctors better understand reproductive health and support individuals who face challenges in this area. The reproductive system plays a vital role in human life, not only in creating new life, but also in regulating important biological processes. Understanding how this system works helps us appreciate its importance and the role of science and technology in improving reproductive health and outcomes.